The blizzard hit parts of America, Europe, and Asia. America, a powerful winter storm blew across the center of the United States on Monday, December 12, 2022. This natural event threatens millions of people with heavy snowfall, freezing rain, and flooding. The U.S. National Weather Service warned of widespread, and impacting weather conditions in the heart of the country this week. Idaho residents continue to stretch into Wisconsin and as far south as Louisiana, warned to prepare for conditions such as blizzards in the north and flash floods in the south. Heavy snowfall has also blanketed parts of Great Britain, disrupting airports, rail networks, and roads, while 2 coal plants have been put on standby in case of a power crunch as the country recorded its coldest night of the year so far. Asian regions such as Korea, southwest to central Korea was hit by sub-zero temperatures and a threat of heavy snowfall on Thursday. Residents in North Jeolla Province, Jeonju faced severe weather conditions after snow and ice accumulated in the past 24